Hey guys, it's Holy Guardian here. And I know there's a lot of background noise. That's the beach, you guys. It's, it's just a vlog. I wanted to bring you guys a vlog. Talk to you guys. You know, I haven't made an actual, just straight up vlog for a while. I just wanted to tell you guys, just appreciate nature. Because I get it. Social media is cool. Hanging out with your friends is cool. But I mean, most of the time people are on their own. And they spend almost all of the time that they're alone staring at a screen, And look, I get it. I'm being a little bit of a hypocrite. I play video games on YouTube. That's what my channel is about, and I'm here talking about nature. I mean, guys, I know. But, this nature is beautiful. Y'all can't see the stars, but yeah, it's nighttime, guys. Y'all can't see it, but it's pretty great. I don't know, guys. How y'all doing? Tell me how you guys are doing in the comments. I mean, or don't, I guess. Guys, life is hard. Life is hard, and life is confusing, and life is crazy. You always expect things to go a certain way, and they never do. You know, you guys? That's the thing, we aren't God. We aren't God, so I mean, guys, don't try and control the world. It's an utter waste of time. But yeah, just appreciate the world that's around you, Because I'm a religious person. I believe that God personally crafted this all. But no matter what you believe, no matter what religion you subscribe to, or the fact that you don't subscribe to any, and you're an atheist, you can't deny the absolute beauty of the world, of the natural world around you. Because people will say, oh, the world's so chaotic, animals kill each other all the time, volcanoes, earthquakes. But look, you will never find beauty unless it is accompanied by chaos, you guys. I don't know, I guess that's a secondary thing I'll say in this video. Chaos can only be found in beauty, you guys. Or beauty can only be found in chaos. Nothing is going to be perfect unless there's something crazy surrounding it. Unless, of course, again, you choose to believe in, unless you subscribe to a religion and believe in a deity, which I do. But yeah, guys. The world's messy, but there's beauty in it. So just appreciate what's around you, you guys. I don't even know if you guys can see that. I just waved my hand in front of the camera. I think I'm gonna leave it there, guys. This is only 5 minutes, but I feel like, I feel like you guys know what I'm trying to say. I feel like you guys understand what I'm trying to get at, guys. I'm gonna, after my outro, guys, I'm gonna just record a little bit more of the ocean, because it's a beautiful thing. Anyways, guys, please comment below, tell me, guys, how you're feeling. Like the video, subscribe, helps me out a lot. It really does, guys. Remember, share the video, because that's great, too. Anyways, guys. I'll see you next time. Holy Guardian out.